What's going on, guys? Today we are going to change taillights on my 2016 F150. I will put the description for the taillights are Anzo LEDs. I'll put a link to the website they came from down in the description along with tools needed. So stay tuned. Alright, so there's the taillight, there's what's on it. I actually night shaded a stock taillight, and there are the Anzos. This LED strip around it actually lights up. Stop and turn and reverse lights. So let's get them swapped out. Alright, the only special tool you're going to need is going to be an 8mm socket and ratchet. You'll take out this screw and this screw here. Screws are out. See, it's loose. You just want to take your hand and give it a like that. I'll actually pop out that retainer, that goes in there. Well, you want to disconnect this brown connector and this green connector. You push on that tab there, give it a shake, and they'll come right out. And just like that, got some LED lights on your new F150. And you can see that's lit up. I got my 4-ways on. Can't really see, but that actually lights up too slightly. But there you go. Alright guys, there's a new taillights on the F150. I like them. I think they look a lot better. So if you guys think they do, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like the video and think it's going to help you, give me a thumbs up. I'll put, it's just a 8mm 1/4" drive ratchet or socket and the 1/4" drive ratchet. That's all you need to do it, but I will put that down in the description along with a link to the website to buy the Anzo taillights if you guys want to buy them. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the bell. If you like the video, again, give me a thumbs up. So thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your night.